In this tutorial, I'll show how to draw a line in Premiere Pro. Here's a sample photo I just obtained so I can draw a line on it. Click on this pen and make a line by two different clicks. Also, you can adjust the alignment of this line by clicking again. Then go to Control panel, uncheck the fill and check this stroke, and from here we can make the line thinner and thicker. By clicking on this color box, we can change the stroke color. Here is the line draw in Premiere Pro. That's it for now. Make sure to subscribe this channel. Thanks for staying with 5 Minute Solution.